How to link Twitter to Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open a Facebook on your device. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now simply tap on your profile. Then tap on edit profile. Now simply scroll down and find links. Now next to links, simply tap on the edit button. Then tap on add new. Now select Twitter or X. Then tap on username. Now paste the Twitter username. Then tap on save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.